Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss about structure, member alignment and padding. So this is part 3 of this video. So in the part number 1 we have discussed about the assumptions, why we are using this concept and some of the rules. And in the second part we discussed this example that structure size will be of 4 bytes. Now we will take some another example and we'll see what will be the size of that structure. So as you can see in this slide, there is a structure struct b tag and we have made an object struct bt. In this structure we have three variables. One is short int, character and int. Okay. Now we will apply rule number 1 and rule number 2 and we will see what will be the size of this structure. Okay. So if we will start from short int s. So short int s will be of 2 bytes. So the first rule is it will always start from the multiple of 2. So 0 is a multiple of 2 or not? Yes, it is a multiple of 2. So it will take 0th index byte and 1 index byte. Okay. Then character will come. So character is of 1 byte. So it will always start from the multiple of 1. So 2 is a multiple of 1 or not? Yes. So char will take second index byte. Now int will come. Int is of 4 bytes and it will always start from the multiple of 4. 0 is already filled, so it will start from 4th index. Okay, and it will take 4 bytes. Index number 4, 5th, 6th and 7th. Now we will see the rule number 2. Structure will take size equal to multiple of maximum bytes taken by a variable in that structure. So what are the maximum bytes taken by a variable in this structure? Int. So int will take 4 bytes. So it should be multiple of 4 only. So as you can see, these are 8 bytes and 8 is a multiple of 4 already. So this structure will take 8 bytes in total. Okay. So from now do not say that this structure is of size 4 plus 1 plus 2, 7 bytes, because this structure is taking 8 bytes. Now we will see this structure in our program and we will run it. We'll see what will be the result. Okay, so this is our structure B. So we will uncomment this line and we will see what will be the size. See, size of struct B T is equal to 8 bytes. So whatever we have discussed is totally right. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave us your comments.